it's Sunday. Happy Resurrection Sunday to everyone. I hope your day is going well thus far. So I'm on my way to the gym to do some mostly strength training. I'll get a little bit of cardio in, but I'm going to focus on strength training today. So I found this workout on Pinterest that I'm going to do. So I'm here at Limbricks. I'm not going to go to Planet Fitness today just because this particular Limbricks is women only, so I won't feel self-conscious doing my strength training here. So I'll see you inside the gym. Okay, so I drove all the way to Limbricks and they were not open. I did not take into consideration that today is Easter. So I came back home and I'm gonna work out in my community gym. I'm here by myself right now. I hope no one else comes in because I have really made this like it's my own little home gym. So I brought in my my tripod so I can record, and my stabilization ball. I brought that from home. And so here, let me take you on a quick spin around. So we have some weight equipment here, and we have some ellipticals and 2 bikes and 2 treadmills. to just get your heart pumping, get working out. You don't need an expensive gym membership. You don't need a personal trainer. You don't need a workout buddy. Sometimes all you need is time and space. We all have that. Everyone has time and space. So that workout that I did took about 35 minutes, and I did use the stability ball for some of it. I do have some hand weights in my car. Didn't incorporate those today. I just used my body weight. So one of the trainers I used to work out with before used to always tell me, you should be strong enough to lift your own body weight. So I'm always working toward that, and that replays in the back of my mind, especially when I do those push-ups, because my upper body strength is not that great. So it is so difficult for me to do push-ups, and I'm able, and I mean, I am proud of myself that I was able to do those little bitty push-ups that I did. It's hard for me to, you know, get low and try to push my body weight up, but I'm a work in progress, so I have no doubt that if I keep plugging along at it, I will be able to do those push-ups. So again, I feel great. I feel energized. I'm going to have a shake and then do some meal prep, take a shower, and then I think I'm probably going to call it a day. That is going to be it for me, but you know, it feels really good to, you know, become active and get moving, and just trying to be the best me that I can be. It feels amazing. And after I work out, I always have these supercharged endorphins where, you know, I just feel great. I feel happy after I'm able to get a really good workout in. So I encourage you guys to do something for yourself to get motivated and moving. You can do it. Again, didn't cost me anything to come here. This gym is complimentary here in my community, but even if you have to do that in the comfort of your home, you can look on YouTube for plenty of instructional videos. You can use Pinterest as a resource. There's lots of things there. You can subscribe to my channel here at the C-Dot Spot, because of course I'm always doing something. You can Google stuff. There's just a wealth of resources. You just have to be motivated to get up and do it. And I know sometimes that takes a lot. That takes a lot of mental capacity to get up and push yourself to go. I will tell you, back in November, I would not have done this. Back in November, I would not have come in here and would have done the kind of workout that I did today. I would come, maybe get on the elliptical for 20-30 minutes. I might get on the treadmill for 15-20 minutes. I would do those things, but I had not been to the place where I'm able to push myself to just do those exercises that are going to be a lot more challenging and work my body out a lot more than just getting on the elliptical. And I'm not saying it doesn't take work and effort to get on the elliptical or get on the treadmill, but I definitely see progress in myself, because again, a couple of months ago, I could not run on the treadmill. I could barely walk on the treadmill for 5 minutes a couple of months ago without being extremely winded. I could not do jumping jacks. I was never able to do jumping jacks before. No. What else? A lot of the floor exercises were uncomfortable for me. So I definitely see progress. So I encourage you to do what works for you and just do something to get moving, because trust me, you will feel great after you have done it. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Facebook under Chandra Dodson. You can find me on Instagram under just Chandra, JUS_CHANDRA. And that's it. So I will see you guys next time. Peace out.